How to disable double click to install on iPhone App Store. You can't completely remove the double click to install feature on the iPhone App Store, but you can disable Face ID or Touch ID for App Store purchases, which will change how you install apps. So let's get started. First of all you have to do is go back to the home screen and look for the settings app available there and simply tap on it. Once you tap on the settings app, scroll down and tap on the screen time option available in there. Inside screen time, all you have to do is scroll down again at the bottom and tap on the content and privacy restrictions. Then toggle on the switch, then tap on the iTunes and App Store purchases. Then make sure the required password is in don't require option available there. Once done so, go back, toggle off the switch of content and restrictions, and all you have to do is go back to the settings and tap on the Face ID and passcode option available there. Enter your iPhone passcode. Then at the top you can see require password for iTunes and app purchase. Simply make sure that it is toggled off. Now once done so, go back to the home screen and tap on the App Store and look for the app you are trying to download. And all you have to do is tap on it and tap on the Get option available there. You can simply tap on the Save or Not Now. Then that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.